Google isn't wasting any time moving forward. With the Pixel 9 now out in the wild, all eyes are turning to what's next, and there's a lot to be excited about. The next-gen Pixel 10 series is already making waves behind the scenes, and it looks like Google is getting serious about boosting performance in a big way. At the heart of these upgrades is the new Tensor G5 chip, which marks a pretty major shift in direction. For the first time, Google is stepping away from Samsung and partnering with TSMC to handle chip production. That alone could mean better power efficiency and performance, but it doesn't stop there. Because they're moving away from Samsung, Google is also dropping some of their components, like the image signal processor. Instead of looking for a third-party replacement, they're building their own from the ground up. If that sounds familiar, it's because Google used to dabble in this kind of thing. Remember the Pixel Visual Core or the Neural Core from earlier Pixel generations. Those efforts seemed to disappear once Tensor came into play, but now it looks like the custom hardware game is back on. With its own image signaling processor, tightly integrated with the CPU, GPU, and AI systems, Google is clearly aiming to make pixel photography even better and faster too. But it's not just the camera getting attention. Some code found in Android's open source project hints at another performance win: much faster boot times. A new loading system is coming that should cut startup time by nearly a third on the Pixel 10 and around 25% on the next Pixel Fold. That difference might be due to the more complex design of foldables, but either way, it's a nice speed bump. It's not confirmed yet, but all signs point to the Tensor G5 powering the entire Pixel 10 lineup. If that's the case, we're looking at a unified jump in speed, efficiency, and probably some smart new AI tricks too. Between the hardware changes and the renewed focus on in-house tech, it's starting to feel like Google's getting ready to level up its Pixel game in a serious way. So yeah, things are getting interesting. So, what are your expectations from upcoming Pixel devices? Share it down below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.